This weekend is crucial for Bitcoin and for cryptocurrency because it will determine what happens in the future. And I'm going to be going over the exact levels I'm looking at, my exact plans for trading this price action. So make sure to like the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, make sure to click the bell for notifications. Now, Bitcoin is forming this rising wedge pattern, which is a bearish pattern. You can see we rejected from the upper trend line and then got a retest after breaking down from the lower trend line. Now, both of these trade setups were given in advance over in the VIP Discord, guys. The short from the high and then the short from the retest. Given in advance, guys, over in the VIP Discord, where we give the setups every day, the levels every single day. You can go to patreon.com/Jason Casper if you want to join the thriving community. But look at what is happening right now. The target of this wedge is actually a little bit lower. The target of this wedge was actually coming down to a very important target of support, which would have been that $19.5 to $20,000 area. Why is that such an important area? It's because it is actually the CME futures gap, okay? So last Friday, 1 week ago, after the futures market closed, the traditional market closed, again, those markets do not trade on the weekend, so the candle closed right down here. Bitcoin continued to pump. We do find more often than not these gaps close. Bitcoin is holding key support. In fact, we can see the levels I gave earlier this week for Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin is holding this lower box, that 20,000.5 to 20,000.8 level of support. This is the first level of support. This is actually a very bullish sign. And as you can see, although I have taken the short trades here that I gave over in the Discord, I am still holding my longs and I am expecting more upside. And I'm going to talk about why, okay? I'm going to talk about why. I'm not just bullish for the sake of being bullish. I am bullish because I am looking at the chart and I am interpreting the chart, and that is what is forming my bias. Why am I bullish still? First of all, Bitcoin is holding support. Here are some bullish signs that we can see on the chart, okay? Number one, the Bitcoin is holding support and it's not losing support. Number two, we have officially put in a higher high on the weekly time frame, okay? We can see right here, this is the last weekly high that we put in before the FTX debacle. Bitcoin has officially now put in a higher high above that level. Number three, market Cipher B is looking bullish, okay? Look at the money flow on the daily time frame right here on market Cipher B. Okay, if anybody doesn't know market Cipher B, that's totally fine. You don't really need to know. But the point is, this money flow is extremely bullish. And when the money flow gets thicker, that is showing bullishness for Bitcoin. We have not seen money flow this thick on Bitcoin since back in March of 2021. Okay, it's been a very long time since we have seen money flow this thick. In addition, if we go down to the 4-hour time frame, we can see that even as Bitcoin is consolidating here, and we can see the money flow is getting lower, the momentum is getting lower, even now as Bitcoin continues to consolidate, this 4-hour money flow is still getting thicker. So I do believe there are still bullish signs here on the chart that we need to consider. I know a lot of people are expecting a major pullback, but as I've gone over in previous videos, we have come down to very key supports with very bullish signs. Now let's take a look at this, okay? We have officially changed market structure on a higher term time frame, putting in our low, our high, our higher low, and then our higher high. If the weekly candle is able to close above the level of $21,478.80, okay, that's why this weekend is so crucial. If the candle can close above this level, that is a very strong weekly close. Okay, let's take a look at this weekly candle right now. Right now, it's a doji. This is showing indecision. That's exactly what this means right here. There's consolidation after a huge move, and we need to consolidate before another move happens, either to the upside or to the downside. If this weekly candle body can now close above the level that we had just marked out, which is about right here, that is a very bullish weekly close. Okay, now, if you guys want to learn how to trade this way and do all the analysis, have a plan so you can come to the chart even in the middle of an uptrend and short the exact top and then short the exact retrace, you can go to jasoncaspertrading.com. There's a 20% discount on this course right now. This is changing the way thousands of people approach the markets, because if you are struggling to be consistent in your trading, this will give you the blueprint so that you can come to a chart, make a plan, know what you're looking for, and then trade that plan. In addition, guys, ByBit right now is having a special bonus for Jason Casper. If you sign up now, you can earn up to $30,000 in rewards. But in addition to that, this is exclusive to Jason Casper. You will get 0% limit fees okay, which is a really great deal, especially if you are trading on these lower time frames. Only sign up to ByBit and deposit money if you know what you're doing. If you don't know what you're doing and you're looking to make money quick, don't sign up, because you will lose everything. And your wife will leave you, and your girlfriend will break up with you because your girlfriend found out you had a wife. You're going to lose your job. You're going to stub your toe. You're going to lose your keys. Your car will get a flat tire. Okay, but if you're serious about trading and you're good at this, 0% limit fees, great deal. You can click the link in the description below. Okay, so back to the chart. Here are the key levels that we really need to be aware of this weekend. Level number 1, as we just went over, is going to be that $19.5 to $20,000 level right down here. If Bitcoin starts to lose this level, I will actually expect more downside. Now, let's put on the major levels. This is a local level. Now we're going to go to a higher term time frame and check out what is really going on here. Right now, we can see two key zones. One zone is the $21.7 thousand to $23,000 zone. If Bitcoin can reclaim this important resistance and test its support, that is our doorway to the moon, and I am going to be holding my long trades to 30K. If we lose that $19,000 to $20,000 level, we will be looking for a retest of this major zone of support down here, okay? A perfect breakout and retest, and then I will actually be looking for a higher high after putting in a higher low, right? Because again, we are simply just looking at our market structure here. Low, high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, right? That's what we will be expecting. If we lose this green box, that is the doorway to Hades, all right? We have the moon above the earth. We have Hades below the earth. Right now, we are on the earth. We need to be looking at this as basically floors of a house, right? Floors of a house. We can clearly see right here that this is a ceiling, right? We just go back in time all the way back to August 2022. This has been a ceiling, okay? We can also see right here that this was a floor, okay? It was a floor for multiple months. Then when we lost the floor, it got switched into a ceiling. Now that we are above the ceiling, it is back down to a floor. And so we are now looking for that floor for support. We take it level to level and we look at our indicators to determine what is going to happen, okay? So these are the major levels that I am looking for, and I am actually hoping that we are able to hold these key supports right here and get a higher high. If we do not, please be aware that a very large drop could be in store, because smooth move up, guys, smooth move down. Smooth move up, smooth move down. And that is it for today's video, guys. Make sure to like the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Make sure to click the bell. May God bless everybody in the name of Jesus, the Messiah. I do pray everybody is super blessed. This is a crucial weekend, guys. Are we going to get that candle close? I hope we do. I hope we do. Sunday, we will know for certain. And with that being said, I hope everyone has a great weekend. Peace.